City RC here, upper level run with the new Injora AUT6 clone tires. Rocking the new FJ Cruiser body. Liking it. I'm liking it. Feeling the flow.
I won't give no fucks, I won't take no shit. They said they want more, this is it. Let the body drop.
Get out the way, dog. Wonder if my neighbors ever see my trucks driving down the fence line and wonder what the hell I'm doing.
Faraway goals are closer than you think, like a lakeside retirement on the countryside. Start by linking all your banking, lending, and investing accounts, so you have a
shifted a little over the winter.
Then set goals and see how changes to spending, saving, and investing will either push them farther from reach.
Dang it, get up there.
There.
Oh! Well, maybe that's what it was. That block was coming loose. Alright, let's reset. We'll just skip it. God, it's slick right here. Come on. Dang it. I can't get over the top of my bridge. I have never had an issue here before.
You can lower your emissions without ever lowering your standards. Hit the road in the car of your choice and start your Let's Go moment at Hertz.com.
These tires definitely need some breaking in. And I live in Lubbock, Texas, so everything up here right now is covered in a really fine layer of dust. Because we had a dirt storm kind of thing going on yesterday. It was a lot of fun. So everything's kind of dusty. So my tires are kind of slipping around where I think they normally grab. Oh, looks like I must have got my mirrors scraped over there. Part of this is pretty sketch coming down this other side because over the my board dropped off. I really haven't been out here too much since I pretty much got too cold, so I've got some spots that are hanging me up that wouldn't normally because they're all sagged out, but right here this has dropped about, I don't know if you can see on the fence, you see that black line? That's where I spray painted it last season. So it's dropped like 4 inches. That's what you get for using shitty nylon rope that stretches. Oh, golly, that is a steep descent right there. I can't believe it actually did that. Because it's normally a pretty tough transition with the CFX, but handled that like a champ. This body is a little lighter weight, so I was trying to kind of get in between. Alright, let's see if we can get down this. This is shifting a little too. These aren't the best tires I've ever had, but they're decent. For $20, they're decent. The big concepts and that kind of stuff are clearly a lot better, but it's not bad. Be a great trail tire with that big lug, especially in Cloudcroft where it's kind of wet and muddy sometimes, a lot of the time. especially when I'm down there. Oh, God, that almost tipped over. Still gets down pretty good, though. Nice. Come back over here. Let's see. Let's go. Come over here. Do a run through here. Go up the ladder here. Up there. See if I can get down this in one piece. I think my battery might be dying too. My voltage cutoff's about to kick in, I think. It's crawling good today though. The tires aren't the best, but my CG is pretty balanced. I'm really surprised it hasn't gone over in a couple areas. So front left has got a great big hole that it's going into, and then that back one's going to drop into it. You have to be really careful. There we go. You're going to pull it back right and then left, and you'll get sucked up against that post. Then you're done. Pretty neat little CFX though. I enjoy it. Come back up this guy again. The FJ body looks really good. The fitment wasn't perfect, but it's for a Tamiya, so I'm not really surprised. I think it's for a little bit shorter chassis. The CC01 or something, whatever it is, I think it's a little bit shorter than the 313. And this thing is slick. All that dust we have. Oh, God, it's slick. It's like driving down a snowy road with that dust on everything. Oh, stay on the track. Stay on the bridge. Jesus. Do not want to fall off that. God, that would trash that body. Alright, let's see if we can get up this without being stuck for 10 minutes. Yeah, a little easier when I'm paying attention to what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm going to pan around, drive down to where I can reach it. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, but man, check out those new bags that I finally got in. Some rooftop bags I had ordered. I like them. They turned out good. Anyway guys, we'll come back at you here after a while.